5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Saluting! Salute to the front! Salute!
1, 2, 3, 1!
In a world where order, discipline, and reverence come together, there stands a name you can count on for excellence in drills and ceremonies. Welcome to the Drill General. This is your #1 YouTube destination for mastering the art and standards of Seventh-day Adventist Pathfinder drills and ceremonies. Whether you're new to parade formation or refining your command voice, we've got you covered. Here, we break down the basics and the complex from forming up on parade, going through the various drill sequences, to commanding with clarity, precision, and purpose. Every episode follows the official Pathfinder Ministry's drill standard, so you can be confident you are learning and teaching the right way. Explore the full beauty and solemnity of the color ceremony, learn the exact words of command, and understand the sacred meaning behind every move. Whether you're a Pathfinder, counselor, drill instructor, or club director, this page is for you. Learn, lead, and inspire the next generation of disciplined youth for Christ. This is the Drill General, where every step, every shout, and every salute counts. Don't miss a step. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you would want us to learn together, so together we'll drill to perfection. This is the Drill General, where we learn the standards, teach with purpose, and impact with discipline.